Let me show you how to enable security lock on Cash App. If you've seen other people adding in security lock before they open up their Cash App or before carrying out any transactions, and if you also want to know how you can do so, make sure you follow along. Let's head over to Cash App. Once you're inside of Cash App, what you need to do is head over to the profile section, which is on the top right of the screen. Now inside of your profile section, if you scroll down a bit, you'll be able to see this option which says privacy and security. So in order to create or add up a PIN on Cash App, you'll need to head over to this section. So just tap on this option. Inside of privacy and security, the first option you'll see is the option of security lock. It says right here, require biometrics or cash PIN to transfer funds. So for you, it may be toggled off. Just tap on this toggle option right here and make sure that is turned on. Once this option gets turned on, you'll be able to add in a security PIN or a cash PIN. So just add in a 4-digit PIN from this section and then again confirm it in the next screen. Once you added in this PIN, you need to add in this PIN whenever you open up your Cash App as well as whenever you make any transactions. So those were the simple steps in enabling security lock on Cash App. I do hope this guide video was helpful to you. If it was, do let us know by giving this video a thumbs up. I'm going to see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.